Are you thinking about upgrading from the Samsung Galaxy A55? The Galaxy A56 5G has arrived with some noteworthy upgrades, including a brighter display, a more powerful processor, extended software support, and faster charging. But is it really a major step forward? Let's go over everything you need to know to help you decide if upgrading is worth it. At first glance, the A56 5G doesn't look much different from its predecessor. It still carries a sleek glass back and a durable metal frame, giving it a premium feel. However, it is slightly lighter and thinner, making it more comfortable to hold. Like the A55, it maintains an IP67 rating, ensuring resistance to dust and water splashes. Samsung has also introduced new color options, awesome graphite, and awesome light blue, giving users fresh choices. One of the most significant changes comes with the display. The screen size has been slightly increased to 6.7 inches compared to the A55's 6.6 inches. More importantly, the brightness has been improved, reaching up to 1,200 nits, which means better visibility under direct sunlight. It still features an FHD plus Super AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and fluid animations. Additionally, Samsung has integrated AI-powered optimizations to enhance battery efficiency, voice recognition, and even camera performance. Speaking of cameras, the rear setup remains nearly the same, with a 50-megapixel main sensor equipped with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. The front camera, however, has changed. While the A55 featured a 32-megapixel selfie camera, the A56 now comes with a 12-megapixel one. This may seem like a step down in resolution, but Samsung has incorporated improvements like HDR video support and better noise reduction, ensuring sharper selfies and improved low-light recording. When it comes to performance, this is where the A56 5G gets a real boost. It moves from the X7O's 1480 processor to the X7O's 1580, offering improved efficiency and faster speeds. Users can expect better multitasking and smoother gaming performance. Another big advantage is software support. Samsung is now promising 6 years of updates for the A56, while the A55 is limited to 5 years. Battery capacity remains unchanged, with both models featuring a 5,000 mAh battery, delivering similar usage times. However, charging speed is where the A56 stands out. While the A55 supports 25-watt charging, which takes around an hour to reach 50%, the A56 introduces 45-watt fast charging, allowing it to reach 50% in just 30 minutes. This is a significant improvement for those who need a quick power boost on the go. So should you consider upgrading? The A56 5G is a better option if you want a faster and more efficient processor, a brighter display for outdoor use, improved video recording with enhanced HDR and noise reduction, extended software support, and the advantage of 45-watt fast charging. Additionally, Samsung has launched the A56 at a lower price than the A55's original launch price, making it an even more attractive choice. On the other hand, if you already own the A55, the upgrades may not be significant enough to justify switching. If you can find a good deal on the A55, it could still be a solid choice, especially since the core features remain quite similar. Overall, the Galaxy A56 5G is a clear upgrade in terms of performance, charging speed, and software longevity. If you're in the market for a new phone, it offers great value for the price. But if you're using the A55, it might not be necessary to upgrade unless you specifically need the faster processor or quicker charging. What do you think? Would you make the switch, or is the A55 still good enough for your needs? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech updates.